Frank Whittle was born on June 23, 1907. He was a British engineer and inventor. He changed the way people travel in the sky. He made the first jet engine. This engine helped airplanes fly faster and higher. His invention revolutionized aviation and opened new possibilities for air travel. It also played a key role in modern military and commercial aviation. Without his work, the aviation industry might not have advanced so quickly. Frank Whittle loved machines when he was young. He liked to take things apart and put them back together. His curiosity about how things worked made him different from other children. He would often spend hours studying mechanical objects, trying to understand how they functioned. He wanted to be a pilot. He joined the Royal Air Force, also called the RAF. He trained hard and learned a lot about airplanes. He also had great ideas about engines. His time in the RAF helped him understand the limitations of piston engines. He knew airplanes needed something better. His love for flying and engineering drove him to find a new way to improve aircraft performance. At that time, airplanes used piston engines. These engines were not very fast. They were also heavier and needed frequent maintenance. Piston engines worked with moving parts that created friction, reducing efficiency. Whittle thought about a new kind of engine. He believed a jet engine could work better. A jet engine pushes air through at high speed. This makes the airplane move faster. It does not need big propellers like old engines. His idea was ahead of its time. He believed that by using compressed air and combustion, an engine could provide continuous thrust. This would allow airplanes to achieve higher speeds and greater efficiency. Whittle wrote about his idea in 1928. His teachers at the RAF College saw his paper. They thought his idea was interesting. But they did not believe it could work. They said it was too difficult to make. Some thought it was impossible. Whittle did not give up. He kept working on his idea. He believed in himself even when others doubted him. He spent countless hours refining his designs and making calculations. He knew that if he could prove his idea, it would change the world of aviation forever. In 1930, he got a patent for his jet engine. A patent means no one else can copy the idea. But the government did not support his work. Whittle had to find his own money. He worked with some business people. Together, they made a company. This company built the first jet engine. They faced many challenges, such as finding the right materials and testing methods. They had to test and fail many times before they got it right. Jet engines required high-quality materials that could withstand extreme temperatures and pressure. Developing such materials was not easy at that time. Making the engine was not easy. There were many problems. The engine got very hot. Sometimes, parts broke. Whittle and his team worked hard to fix everything. They tested different designs and improved the cooling system. They had to work with limited resources and little support. Many believed the project would fail, but Whittle never lost hope. In 1937, the first jet engine worked properly. It was a big success. It proved that Whittle's idea was not just a dream. The engine produced continuous thrust, demonstrating its potential. This breakthrough paved the way for jet-powered flight. The British government became interested. They saw that the jet engine could be important. During World War II, airplanes needed to be faster. Whittle's engine was a great help. The first British jet plane flew in 1941. It was called the Gloucester E-2839. It was a small plane with one jet engine. It flew well and showed the world a new way to travel. It reached speeds that piston engine planes could not achieve. This was a major breakthrough in aviation history. The success of the Gloucester E-2839 led to the development of more advanced jet aircraft. After the war, jet planes became more popular. Other countries also worked on jet engines. The United States and Germany developed their own versions. Whittle's idea changed air travel forever. Now, people could fly long distances quickly. Jet planes became normal for travel and war. Airline companies started using jet planes for passenger flights. This made air travel more common and accessible. The world became more connected thanks to Whittle's invention. Modern commercial jets, such as the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380, owe their existence to his work. Military aircraft also became more advanced, improving national defense capabilities. Whittle did not become very rich from his idea. But he got many awards. People respected his work. He became a Sir in 1948. This is a special title in Britain. He continued to work on new technology. He moved to the United States later in life. He worked there as an engineer and teacher. He gave lectures and shared his knowledge with new generations. His experience and expertise helped many young engineers. His work inspired the next wave of technological advancements in aviation and aerospace. His jet engine is one of the greatest inventions in history. Today, almost all airplanes use jet engines. People can fly around the world in hours. This is because of Whittle's idea. His invention also helped space exploration, as jet propulsion led to rocket technology. Without his work, space travel might not have progressed so quickly. He changed the world with his invention. His work made travel faster and easier for everyone. Frank Whittle showed that hard work and new ideas can make history. His contribution will always be remembered in aviation history. His story teaches us that determination and belief in an idea can lead to great achievements. Whittle's impact extends far beyond aviation. His innovations helped create a more connected and technologically advanced world.